In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks from KeyBank. To get started, head over to the KeyBank website. You'll want to begin on the official KeyBank page so you can access the correct banking resources and avoid any confusion. Once the site loads, take a moment to look through the main navigation menu at the top of the page. From there, click on Banking. This section usually contains the tools and services related to personal bank accounts, including checking-related options. If you don't immediately see the exact page you need, don't worry. Just follow the menu carefully because the check ordering option is nested under Checking Account Services. Next, move to Checking Account Services. This is the area where KeyBank groups together helpful features for checking account holders, including maintenance and reorder options. Selecting this section will take you closer to the page where you can request new checks. Once you're in the right section, click on Order Checks. This will direct you to the Check Reorder Information page. KeyBank works with a preferred check provider for this process, so instead of placing the order entirely through the standard bank website, you'll be guided to the provider that handles check orders. At this point, you can choose to order by phone or online directly through KeyBank's preferred check provider, Harlan Clark. If you prefer speaking with someone, there is a phone ordering option available. If you'd rather complete everything digitally, you can continue online through the provider's ordering page. Choose the method that feels easiest for you. Before you place the order, make sure you have your account number and routing number ready. These details are required to verify your checking account and ensure the new checks are printed correctly. You can usually find your KeyBank account and routing numbers in the Account Info and Settings section after logging into online or mobile banking. They also appear at the bottom of your existing paper checks, which can be a quick and convenient reference if you already have a checkbook available. As a helpful tip, double-check your personal information before submitting the order, especially your mailing address, since that's where your new checks will be sent. It's also a good idea to review the style or quantity options carefully if those are presented during checkout. And that's it. That's how to order checks from KeyBank. If you follow these steps in order, the process should be simple and straightforward.